In this video, I will show how to bold same words in Microsoft Word. So click on replace and find, and here find words which you want to make bold, point, and here type here same word, now more, and here you have to click on format and font, and here select the bold, click on OK, and replace all. So we can see in our document 7 places have that word which may be made the bold. Thanks for watching.